All right, this is my market recap and analysis for December 12th. Just traded the NQ today and pretty much just looked at the NQ today. I didn't really look anywhere else. Kind of getting used to my new indicators and following them. It was an inside day, so kind of expected after you had such a big expansion day. And when you do have inside days, you kind of have to look to play the ranges, look for reversals back through the range. I did a pretty good job early on, or yeah, as far as looking at that, and then kind of lost focus during the day. If we look at the 1 minute chart, so there was like PPI at 7:30 here, popped up and then sold. I was looking to sell. I think I did take a little sell on something, but I was waiting for 2 minutes. I didn't know if this was a news event for my futures deal, the one I was trading in a combine. So you can't trade the minute before or a minute after through that. So I didn't take this nice setup, and there was other setups on the higher time frames. But I tried to get in here, and then when it bounced back up, I got out since it had already moved so much, and then probably could have re-entered for this little push down here, but I missed it. And then the market pretty much ranged, and then it was just choppy. I took some trades. There was like 5-minute setups setting up in here where I would take a little bit to maybe break the range. Like here, there was a 5-minute down and then a 5-minute up, which is what choppy markets do. They get you in before they reverse. It's got chopped up a little bit. I caught some of this, which kind of brought me back to break even. But as it was doing this, I was looking for the box setup, which the box setup is, if you don't know what the box setup is, so the box setup is basically, so we were forming this box here. Forming this box here. So the box setup is basically you're setting up this box, and they're going to run stops on one side of it, the leg sweep, and then you trade the reclaim back through the range, and then your target's the top of the box. So here's where it set the target. There's where it was hitting target. So it came in. So I caught some of this. So I was trying to catch and took a little profit. So kind of got back to even, and then I kind of front run. I could have came in on this break. This candle was green from the get-go, so when it broke there, would have been the entry. And this is like a 50-point move. So this is one move that could make your day trading. I caught 50 points actually. I front run this, and then I don't know. I was stupid. I put an ad up here over 70. It was 670. I think, and I didn't want it to just go 2 candles and add me. I should have had my ad here. This is dumb on this break. I don't know what I was thinking, so I should have added on that break. But so when that ad hit and it started coming up here, I was like, oh gosh, we have all this resistance here, so it's probably going to pull back. And then, so I immediately got out of the ad and then let it come up, and then I put my stop just above break even. So it got me out of this buy here, and then it had my entry price up here, and I put the stop just to break even. It was like 100 points, $100. So I got 5 micros, got out of 5 micros, or added 5 micros, and then it was like up 100. So I risked 100 to make 300 or so, which is probably pretty good. But had I had it down here, I would have been able to like hold through this, and then you could have added. So you have this little flag here. You could have added on this flag break and took everything off here. That's how you do the strat. But very good. And this is like 6 minutes. Boom, you're done. Very good example of the box trade, or it's basically the broadening formation. Here it is. It's forming the broadening formation. And had I been focused, you can see then, so that was that push. Well, then it set up another box here, and I was kind of posting my trade elsewhere, and then so it set up that box, and it pushed up. So then you could have had an entry, into that here, with your stop here, and then re-entered or re-added on a break again, and then it hit target at the bottom of the box. So this set the box here, and then you wait for that red candle, and boom, boom, boom. So that one trade was a 50.1. I think this one you were risking like 17 to make 30 something. So a good 2-to-1 risk to reward on that box setup. And then if you just kept playing the box in the morning, and it came down, and then on this candle here, if you're watching the QQQs, which I do, huge volume spike into that, and then you could have been ready to take this box, and boom, it went right through it again. There's another 34 points, and it reversed off of it. You could have got in there or there and hit it again. That would have been a good if you're good, that would have been a good trading day. But yeah, I kind of lost focus, and then so then I don't know. I need to keep focus on things, and because then I was like looking at this box, and then I didn't take the back through trade. Little, but still a good day on everything. I can get rid of that box. Okay. So we have this inside day. So tomorrow, we see what happens with that. If we break below, look for shorts. If we break above, look for longs. It could be a pretty good day. I think a lot of people are probably thinking, oh, it's not going to do anything. But if we kind of break this inside day, we could get some movement. The ES was inside also today. The Russell was really weak and broke down. It should have been looking for shorts there. And it actually, the one trigger that I put in yesterday, I need to be looking at the Russell on the side. So it hit today, and then I think I said this target. So so this trigger to this target, it went beyond that, but it would have been good to short the Russell today. I think I was talking about this, the Dow or the YM just continued, and it's two down. Somebody is, and this is like a 45-degree angle, so someone's got a sell program on something there. Somebody's getting out of a big position in one of these Dow stocks, or a few of these Dow stocks, and they're just slowly grinding that down. See what happens tomorrow. Got down to there for a target, which is what, 43,831. Be interested to see what happens next week. Gold popped up and started coming back through the range. I wasn't watching it, but that's textbook broadening formation. It's the here it's the same box theory. that we had before. You'd set this box, went outside the box, sweep some of the stops, came back in, and now we're going back through the box. So maybe look for some intraday setups back through the range would be the setup, although it be against time frame continuity since the month is green, the week is green. So just have to be careful with that one. Bitcoin inside week still looked like it popped up. Maybe it wants to come back through the range here. It would be a 2 up, 2 down at the moment. Setup. Is that coming in at 6, hour and a half? Where it closes might be an overnight sell. Maybe I'll watch that tonight. Oil was a 2 up, failed 2 up, reversal back in the range. It did get some buying back up. Not really interested in anything there. I mean, it's kind of a hammer. I don't know. Still inside month, and I guess it's 2 up. It did break it hit its weekly magnitude there. Well, no, it didn't. Hit its trigger and reversed. If it triggers again, you could try for 7150 basically as a target. That's all I have for today.